If you're over 40 and your shoulders feel tight, weak or painful, then you need this simple exercise. This is what I do every single morning and what I teach my students too. You don't need a gym or complex exercise, just a light band, a wall and a few minutes a day. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step, so you never have to worry about weak, painful shoulders again. Let's dive into it. Easiest version: shoulder swings. Grab a stretchy band, get the lightest one, usually they are yellow or green. Stand up nice and tall, hold the band with both hands. Your arms should be straight out in front of you, your palms face down. Open your arms out to the sides, like you're opening a big curtain. Stop around 45 degrees. From here, swing both arms up over your head and try to bring them back behind you. Then bring them back down and forward in front of your body. That's one rep. This exercise wakes up the tiny muscles around your shoulder that keep it safe and strong whenever you move around your arm. If you want these moves written out, there is a free PDF for you. Grab it below so you don't have to remember everything. Medium version: one hand rotation. Similar starting position as before, but your arms are down toward your legs. Then hold the band with your left hand and keep it still. Now your right arm is going to do the movement. Slowly swing your arm backwards, then bring it back to the front. Do this 5-10 times, then switch hands and do the other side. Harder version: wall body moves. Don't have a band? No problem. Let's use a wall. Put your right hand flat on the wall about shoulder height and keep your fingers pointing up. Now lean gently into the wall, just a little bit, like 10% of your body weight. The cool part? Your hand stays still, but it's your body that moves. Start by moving your body forward, then move it up, then backwards, then down, like you're drawing a big circle with your body. If the hand placement on the wall is too hard, that's okay. Just lightly touch the wall with your fingers and do the circular movement with your body. Your shoulder still has to work hard to keep everything stable. Do 3 to 5 circles in one direction, then in the other direction. Then switch to the other hand. Remember, grab the free PDF below to follow along. Hardest version: floor hold. Get into a plank position. Your left hand goes behind your back. Keep your right hand fixed on the floor. Now, just like with the wall, move your body in a circular fashion. Your shoulder has to work super hard to keep you steady. Do this for 10-15 seconds, then switch sides. Before you start, let me show you the biggest mistakes my students make with this movement. Avoid this and you get way better results while you stay safe. Mistake number 1: rushing through the movement. This isn't about speed. Slow and control is what builds strength and wake up those stabilizer muscles. If you're moving too fast, you're not getting the benefit. Mistake number 2: shrugging your shoulders. If your shoulders are creeping up towards your ears, you're creating tension in your neck and traps instead of working your shoulders properly. Mistake number 3: holding your breath. I see this constantly with my students. The movement gets challenging and they hold their breath. Don't do that. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. This keeps you calm and gets oxygen to your muscles so they can keep working. Look, this movement builds shoulders strength, reduces pain and gives you the kind of mobility that keeps you reaching, lifting and living without limitations. Remember, grab the free PDF below to help you out. Do this daily, move better and feel stronger. Thanks for watching, stay moving and take care.